Welcome to Dreamweaver Bedtime Stories, engaging bedtime tales. Tonight, let us escape into the cozy ambience of a quaint European village where narrow cobblestone streets wind through centuries-old buildings. Amidst the gentle patter of rain on the windows, discover Le Café Mystique, a haven where the scent of freshly brewed coffee mingles with the soft hum of conversation. Follow Emma, a librarian drawn to ancient manuscripts and hidden lore, as she unravels the mysteries hidden within its walls. In the heart of a picturesque European village, where narrow cobblestone streets wound their way through centuries-old buildings, stood a small, unassuming coffee shop known as Le Café Mystique. It was a haven of warmth and tranquility, a place where the scent of freshly brewed coffee mingled with the soft hum of conversation. Inside Le Café Mystique, the atmosphere was cozy and inviting. The walls were lined with shelves of books, each one a portal to a different world. Vintage lamps cast a soft golden glow, and the air was filled with the comforting aroma of coffee and freshly baked pastries. On this particular rainy afternoon, a young woman named Emma entered the cafe, seeking refuge from the storm. Emma was a librarian with a passion for ancient manuscripts and forgotten lore. She had heard whispers about Le Café Mystique, a place said to hold secrets and wonders beyond imagination. Emma settled into a corner seat by the window and ordered a cup of spiced chai. As she sipped her drink, she noticed an old leather-bound book on the table. Its cover was worn, and the title, Chronicles of the Hidden Realm, was embossed in faded gold letters. Curiosity piqued. Emma opened the book. The pages were filled with intricate illustrations and strange symbols. As she flipped through, a small piece of parchment fell out. It was a map, with Le Café Mystique at its center and a series of cryptic symbols leading to various locations within the village. As Emma examined the map, a soft, melodious voice interrupted her thoughts. "You found it," the voice said. Emma looked up to see a handsome young man standing beside her table. His eyes twinkled with a knowing light, and he carried an air of mystery and charm. "Who are you?" Emma asked, intrigued. "I am Leo," the man replied with a warm smile. "I am a traveler and seeker of ancient mysteries. That book you hold is a guide to the hidden realm, a place where magic and reality intertwine." Emma's eyes widened in wonder. "A hidden realm?" Leo nodded. "Yes, a place known only to a few. You have been chosen to uncover its mysteries. The map will lead you to enchanted objects that hold the key to accessing this realm." Just then, a soft patter of rain began against the cafe windows, adding a mystical ambience to their conversation. Leo glanced outside, his expression thoughtful. "The rain is no coincidence," Leo mused. "It often marks the opening of gateways between our world and the hidden realms. This storm may be our signal to begin our journey." With Leo's guidance, Emma embarked on a journey through the village. Each location on the map revealed a hidden object, each one imbued with magical properties. First, they visited an ancient well in the village square, where Emma retrieved a crystal that shimmered with an inner light. Next, they ventured to the old clock tower, where Emma found a golden key hidden behind a loose brick. Each object she discovered seemed to hum with energy, filling her with a sense of purpose and wonder. Their final destination was the village library, a place Emma knew well. In the deepest corner of the library, behind a bookshelf that seemed to move on its own, they found a hidden door. Leo handed Emma the key, and as she unlocked the door, a warm golden light spilled out, revealing a hidden chamber. Inside the chamber, the air was was filled with the scent of blooming flowers and fresh parchment. Shelves lined the walls, filled with books that seemed to glow with an inner light. At the center of the room stood an ornate pedestal, upon which lay a scroll. Emma approached the pedestal and unrolled the scroll. It contained an ancient incantation, one that would open the gateway to the hidden realm. With Leo's guidance, Emma recited the incantation. The air around them shimmered, and the walls of the chamber seemed to dissolve, revealing a breathtaking landscape. They stood on the edge of a vast, enchanted forest, where the trees glowed with a soft, ethereal light, and the air was filled with the songs of mythical creatures. This was the hidden realm, a place where magic flowed freely, and the boundaries of reality were blurred. Leo turned to Emma, his expression solemn. This realm is a sanctuary for forgotten magic and ancient wisdom, he explained. It is a place where the natural and supernatural coexist in harmony, offering refuge to those seeking knowledge and peace. Emma nodded, understanding the importance of protecting such a place. But why does it need protection? Leo's gaze grew serious. There are forces in our world that would seek to exploit this realm's magic for selfish purposes, he explained. Greed and darkness can corrupt even the purest of energies. That is why we must ensure that its wonders remain untainted and its secrets preserved. As Emma explored the hidden realm, she discovered its secrets and learned its history. She felt a deep sense of responsibility to protect its magic and ensure that its treasures remained safeguarded from those who would misuse its powers. And so, as the evening settled over the village, Emma found peace in the cozy warmth of the Café Mystique. The enchanting secrets she had uncovered filled her heart with wonder and contentment. May your dreams be filled with magic and mystery, and may you find enchantment in the most unexpected places. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Dreamweaver Bedtime Stories. If you enjoyed tonight's tale, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an upcoming story. Sweet dreams and good night.